Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equation. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about partial fractions. So I will put about capital A over 2x plus 1 and capital B over x plus 1. Now we do common denominator. So capital A we multiply by x plus 1 and capital B multiply by 2x plus 1, and we have same denominator in here. Next, we need to expand this one and this one. Next, we need to arrange based on the term of x. Now, if we look carefully about this one, we have x, this is about number 1. So a plus 2b equals to number 1 because coefficient in here is about number 1. We don't have the number in here. So a plus b equals to number 0. So we have the systems of equations. So we need to find the solution of A and B. And we have 8 equals to number 1. A equals to negative number 1. B equals to number 1. So we put the value A and B go in here. And now we will have about the integration from number 1 to number 2. So we put negative number 1 in here and positive number 1 go in here. The integration of this one, we will have about negative 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of 2x plus 1 because we have coefficient of s that is about number 2. That's why we need to divide by coefficient of s number 2 in here. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s plus 1, and then we put the bounds from positive number 1 to positive number 2. So in this situation, I will put number 2 and number 1 go in here. Now we need to simplify this one. We will have about negative 1 over 2 ln of number 5. This one you have ln of number 3. Negative with negative you got about positive. 2 with 1 you got about 3. Negative with positive you got about negative ln of number 2. And now we need to simplify. 1 plus 1 over 2, we have 3 over 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.